Question number 24. Which microorganisms, the microorganisms, biology has come here, have a length that is equal to the wavelength in free space of an electromagnetic wave that is visible to the human eye. So what we do is, it's asking which of these microorganisms will be equal to the wavelength. Okay, so don't panic about this saying that I did not read biology, I do not know about it. First look at what has been asked here, wavelength. Okay, so what is the wavelength of human visible light? Visible light is 400 to 700 nanometers. Okay, now you convert this one into microns. When you convert it into microns, how much you get? You get 0.4 micron, 0.4 micron to 0.7 micron. Now look at which of this fall into this range. It will be 0.5 microns, which is over here. Blindly just put algae of length. Okay, you have not seen an algae, you do not know what is the length of an algae. Doesn't matter, but what we are interested is only in these values over here. Therefore, A is the right option.